Alright, so in this portion we're going to be using the 2 1/4 inch button press. We've got our die cutter, our press, and our materials. Have our image as well. For the materials, we've got our button backing, we have the front disc, and we have this piece of Mylar that will be used to help protect the image. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut our image with the die cutter. And again, if you're using our templates, this is what those lines represented. Was the outer line is the cut area, and the inner line is what will go around the edges and show up very well on the button. If you follow the inner lines, you won't end up with problems like this where you have words going off of the edge of your button. They're kind of there as bleed over and guidelines. I'm going to cut my image, pull out my scrap. I'm going to poke up through the bottom to remove the image. Take my backing, and I'm going to place my image right side up how I want it. I'm going to put my Mylar on top. And unlike the 1 inch button, the placing of the pin back actually matters for this if you want it to be a certain direction, like a right side up. Basically, the way I tend to think of it is I match my button with the backing, the front and the back, to be the same direction that I want them to be. Then I'm going to flip it once, and then I'm going to flip it or rotate it 90 degrees again, and I'll put it in there with the pen side down. So this is the interior of the button. Because when I rotate this and I press, and then I rotate and press again, it's making that 180 degree change. So that's why I flip it twice, so that I know that is right side up. If you're using the magnet backing, you don't have to worry about it as much. It's just a flat single piece and you attach the magnet on later. But if you're using the pin backing, you do need to pay attention to that, or else you're going to end up with a crooked button. So there you go. Sometimes it takes a little bit of practice with this particular set, but pretty straightforward.